So we wanted to do a challenge and see the difference between the Trader Joe's version and the
versus the Costco version. So let's open these guys up.
Okay. You're going to do Costco first? Okay, and then I'll do Trader Joe's. So Trader Joe's is $7.99 and Costco's is $9.99.
Oh my goodness. Okay, this is one of the treats.
Ooh.
This is another one of the treats, pumpkin.
Here, let's show. Okay. Wow, all right, we're going to keep them separate.
There's only 5 pumpkins.
Okay, this looks like it has, I've got the Trader Joe's one.
I got black.
Oh, I think I have black too. And they look similar. It's like the same company.
It is.
Easy build. Oh my gosh.
These are both the easy build.
Okay, so I'm putting that here.
You got red?
I've got orange. I think yours is orange too. You have a lot more. Oh, I have bones.
I got bats.
I have bats. Okay.
I got candy corn.
Oh, I've got these sprinkly things.
I got these leaves.
Got gummy bears. Ooh, can I see your leaves?
Yeah.
Pretty.
And then 5 pumpkins.
Ooh, those are cute. Okay, so it looks like you have a little more.
And I also got one more thing, I think.
So let's pull out your house carefully.
And
Is this
then-
already assembled? Yeah, let's pull all this out. Let's see, can you hold the box? Hold on to the box. Oh my gosh, this is already pre-assembled, I think.
Maybe.
All right, let's pull
No,
this
it's
out.
not.
No?
It's not.
Oh, here's some pieces, so it's not totally pre-assembled. Should I open yours? I'm going to open this. I mean, they're both parts, but... Ooh, this is pretty... Wow, this looks like it has like bat spiderweb design on the top.
I'm going to cover that.
And we'll shoot some close up. Oh, it's totally assembled. Oh my gosh, it even, look, this even comes on its own cardboard.
Okay, let's start. I'm going to start decorating.
Okay. Wow, you didn't have to glue that together. So you start decorating yours.
You got to assemble yours.
Yeah, I think I do. All right, I'm going to find some scissors and open this
I
up.
can help you.
Thank you. Let's see.
I think this is not coming out as well as it is. It's good.
Smells good.
Can it smell?
Look at the ghost.
Oh, so cute.
Look at the ghost. Okay. So I guess I should read the instructions. Ice bag preparation. Knead icing pouch for 1 minute. Oh wow, you gotta knead the pouch. So you have to knead yours too. You need to knead yours. Probably need to knead all of them. We need to knead. We need to knead.
What does knead mean?
Knead means squishing it. Like this, squishing, massaging it.
Did 1 minute already pass?
I think a minute passed, approximate. So I'm going to use, I guess, black to make my glue, to glue my house together. So I need to figure out what's the bottom.
I think I know.
Is that the bottom?
Yes,
I think that's the bottom.
And
Yeah.
look how tiny it is.
Yeah, it's kind of small. Oh, by the way, we made these lights behind us.
Yeah, they're ghost.
So we got the idea from Pinterest. I love Pinterest.
Yeah.
And we had these lights that are just little Chinese lanterns. And we just used webbing, you know, like that spider web stuff. And 2 little, you know, we cut little eyes and glued them on.
Where in the
Done.
world is the...
I guess in the old days, people probably baked these cookie parts and then put them together. You know, before they got to go to Trader Joe's and Costco. Is this the right spot? I think so.
Yeah.
Wait, and then how does it stay up?
You gotta put the walls on quickly.
It's like building blocks. How are you doing over there?
Good.
So you just have to decorate. You don't have to do what I'm doing. Okay, almost a house. I almost have a house. I thought I was smelling gingerbread, but it was my imagination. It's actually the chocolate. Now I am gluing my roof. How's your decorating coming along?
Just got a little struggle with this black.
Oh.
And little struggles of my own.
Let's see. All right, I got one shingle, one roof, and
you're almost done.
yeah.
Oh, this side is falling.
Oh, thank you.
I saved it from falling.
Probably help if I have some glue on the top. Oh no! Oh
Oh my goodness.
What's happening? Earthquake! Wow, it'd be kind of fun to like destroy them on camera. We don't want to do that, right? All right, here is some frosting in between.
Mine just did a little gas.
Yours had gas?
Yeah.
Ooh, a little toot. A little icing toot.
Got one window.
You're eating the frosting.
But the frosting sometimes spills.
Oh, it spills in your mouth? How convenient. My roof. Ah! This house is falling apart! Ah! No! The whole thing just fell apart. Ah! Oh, no!
Not that thing.
Oh, man. Well, for that reason, the Costco one
Totally is winning.
kind of winning. Oh, my. And your teeth are black from the frosting. Oh, no. Fail. Well, how about we just focus on yours?
Yeah.
I mean,
Let's go keep
I'm sure
it
the Trader Joe's one is awesome, and we've done it before.
Right.
It's just,
We've never done the Costco one.
we never did the Costco one, and it feels like it's going to be easier.
Did I eat something?
I'm going to try. How's that? Look like I have no teeth?
You got black teeth.
I look like a witch. I just made a drippy pumpkin.
Wait, can I see?
It's just a drippy pumpkin. Maybe I could put
The
2 black eyes in there. Oh.
today.
Pumpkin. Ah. Pumpkin. Whoa. I wish we had like googly eyes. I love these bones from Trader Joe's so much. I wish they had them in the Costco one. These bones
Yeah,
are so
me too.
cute.
I was like, but what am I going to do about it?
I think I'm gonna get a dish to put these
All
rolling
these candies in.
thing. All right, we literally have 5 minutes. I love her black lipstick, so I think I'm gonna put some on too.
Squeeze it. I'll put some more back.
How I look?
I know. I'll put some frosting on the top of a house to put a little pumpkin on.
Ooh, what a great idea! I love it!
So we're gonna make little dots to put the pumpkins on.
What is this thing for?
Oh, those are like to make the windows look like they're opened.
Oh, shutters! Oh, how cute!
And
Oh,
your
can I
cake.
have one to make shutters on mine?
Sure. Ah!
Oh, they look like they kind of break up. Did you eat a shutter?
No. What do you?
And then what are those?
Are those? I don't.
Oh, I think I broke a shutter.
Those are
I
gravestones.
think we have to eat a shutter. Oh, it is gingerbread.
It's chocolate.
It's gingerbready. It's like gingerbread chocolate.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh, you meant that? Ooh, it's looking a little scary.
Yep.
All right, I like this house better. So next time we'll get our house at Costco.
Yeah, we were
Costco
having-
is so awesome. I love Costco.
Yeah, we live near.
I don't know what these are. Maybe they're like people, little creatures that are trying to get in. Oh, we're trying to get in. I want to go into that house.
This is the big reveal of the Costco haunted house. We added a few different candies to it. we added different, not these pumpkins, but not the ones on the top, but
Those pumpkins came with it, right?
Yeah, those pumpkins came with it, but these ones did not. So we added those from sprinkles, and we added some gravestones. This one ended up like this. If you remember, it ended up right here, and my dad, he's a big eater. He ate a lot. Some of it.
And if we only had the Trader Joe's one, we would have made the Trader Joe's one. But we had the Costco one, which is pre-made and a lot easier. So we just thought, let's decorate Costco one.
Grab a gravestone. Here's a gravestone, and I'm gonna make it a little piece of candy corn right here. Right there.
Are you making a gravestone sandwich?
Thank you for watching 100 Summers. Look out for our next video. Don't forget to subscribe.